Today we are going to discuss about control system subject, that is mathematical models of physical system. So modeling of rotational mechanical system, that is, this is inertia which is nothing but mass. So in translational system we'll be having mass, and similarly in rotational system we'll call that as inertia. So this is torque, this is theta. So T proportional to alpha, right? So T, that is proportional to J d square theta by dt square, where this theta is the displacement. So for inertia or for mass, when you are going to write in terms of equation, at that time here torque is there, so T is equals to J d square. So whenever inertia is there, at the time double differentiation, so T is equals to J d square theta divided by dt square. Okay. Similarly, this is for mass or inertia. When you are having spring, torsional spring, at that time T, this torque is equals to K theta. K theta. There will be no differentiation. Only for mass or for inertia we will be having d square theta of t by dt square. So it will be respect to displacement. So K theta. Similarly, for damper we also call it as dash pot. It is denoted by B. For this, T is equals to B d theta by dt. So single differentiation will come. Okay. So next is analogous system. So analogous system means a mechanical system will be there that will be analogous to electrical system. The same mechanical parts which are available, no, so same thing we can show it in terms of electrical system, that is analogous system. So we are having one example. E is equals to, we are having RLC circuit, so we'll apply KVL. E is equals to Ri plus L di by dt. For inductance differentiation we already know. For capacitance 1 by C integration of I dt, right? The same thing when you apply force voltage analogy, at that time I will be replaced by dq by dt. This thing you should remember. I, for force voltage analogy, I will be replaced by dq by dt. So is equals to R dq by dt plus L d square q of q divided by dt square plus 1 by C q. So differentiation integration will get cancelled, only q will remain. Okay. Similarly, now we are having KVL. So this is another circuit. So here we are going to apply KCL. So input, here we will be having output. So I is equals to E by R plus 1 by L integration of E dt, then C d by dt by applying KCL. Right. Now for KCL, that is current law, here we applied force voltage analogy. So I was replaced by dq by dt. Similarly, when you apply KCL to the circuit, at that time force current analogy you should apply. So E will be d phi by dt. So I is equals to 1 by R d phi by dt plus 1 by L phi of t. Right, integration differentiation will get cancelled. Then plus C d square phi divided by dt square. So now we came to know how to apply KVL and KCL. Right. Now we'll convert force voltage analogy. So here I told force voltage analogy. At that time I was replaced by dq by dt. Now the electrical system I will write in terms of mechanical system by using this tabular. It is called as force voltage analogy. Here V will be replaced by force, inductance by mass, reciprocal of C by 1 by K, right? So it becomes f of t is equals to m d square x of t by dt square plus b dx of t by dt plus k x of t. So this equation, two equation, I am replacing the terms. Whatever electrical terms are there, I am replacing that because we are applying force voltage analogy. So this I was replaced by dq by dt for force voltage. For KVL circuit, we will use this tabular force voltage analogy. Similarly, here KCL we applied. Here another table is available, force current analogy. So force current analogy for KCL circuit, we can use this tabular. So current will be replaced by force, capacitance by mass, 1 by R by B, 1 by L will be replaced by 1 by K, phi will be replaced by X, E will be replaced by voltage V, right? Then if you are having rotational system is there at the time, so another set of electrical systems are there that will be replaced by this rotational system. Torque voltage analogy. Similarly, if current is there, torque current analogy, at the time this current elements will be replaced by this rotational mechanical system element. So given mechanical system that we are converted into force voltage electrical analogous system. So if you use the charts, force voltage analogy chart, at the time you are capable to convert this into force voltage analogy diagram. So what is the procedure to draw mechanical equivalent network? Draw a reference line. So corresponding to the displacement x1, x2, select all the nodes, then connect one end of the mass to the reference line, connect other elements of the system to the nodes, apply nodal analysis, write the system equation. So another circuit, x1 and x2, in between these two you are having B1 and K2. See, x1 terminal, x2 terminal, to this in between we are having B1, K2. So 2x1 we are having K1, B1, B2, K1, M1, B2, then x2, F, M2, B3, yes, F, M2, B3, right? So this is the equivalent circuit. Thank you.